Our planet is facing an unprecedented climate crisis. The Earth's temperature is rising and the consequences are being felt around the globe. Scientists and innovators are tirelessly searching for solutions to mitigate these changes. One such proposition, as radical as it may sound, is the idea of artificially increasing the oxygen content of the atmosphere. Could this be a viable solution to combat climate change, or is it a risky gamble with unforeseen consequences? The concept itself is simple. Release massive amounts of oxygen into the atmosphere. Proponents argue that this could enhance the breakdown of harmful pollutants and even influence global temperatures. The appeal lies in its potential to offer a relatively quick fix to our immediate environmental problems. However, like most technological fixes, the devil is in the details. The idea is still in its infancy, and much research is needed to understand the full implications of such an intervention. Could we inadvertently trigger a cascade of unintended chemical reactions in the atmosphere? Would the benefits be global or limited to specific regions? These are just some of the questions that need to be answered before we even consider embarking on such an ambitious undertaking. Photolysis, the process by which light energy breaks down molecules, plays a crucial role here. Ozone, formed from oxygen particles, can help remove methane and other pollutants from the atmosphere. The Earth's atmosphere is a delicate balance of gases, with oxygen making up about 21% of its composition. This oxygen is not just vital for life as we know it, but it also plays a crucial role in regulating the planet's temperature and the breakdown of pollutants. The idea behind atmospheric oxygenation is to tip this balance, albeit slightly in favor of oxygen. The proposed mechanism involves using advanced technology to extract oxygen from readily available sources like water or air and release it into the atmosphere. This could be achieved through large-scale industrial processes, or even through a network of oxygen-generating plants strategically placed around the globe. The hope is that this increase in oxygen levels, even if marginal, could have a significant impact on the atmosphere's chemistry. For example, some believe that it could accelerate the natural oxidation of potent greenhouse gases like methane, effectively removing them from the atmosphere and slowing down global warming. Additionally, the increase in oxygen could enhance the production of hydroxyl radicals, often referred to as the detergent of the atmosphere, which play a crucial role in cleaning the air by breaking down pollutants. While the global implications of atmospheric oxygenation remain largely uncertain, there is a growing consensus that it could offer some localized benefits. One area where this technology holds promise is in mitigating industrial pollution. Industrial areas, often choked with smog and harmful emissions, could potentially benefit from a targeted increase in oxygen levels. The oxygen, in theory, could help to break down harmful pollutants like volatile organic compounds and nitrogen oxides, which are responsible for a range of respiratory and environmental problems. This could offer a much-needed respite to cities struggling with air pollution and improve the health and well-being of their inhabitants. However, it's important to note that even these localized benefits come with caveats. The effectiveness of such interventions would depend on a multitude of factors, including the specific types of pollutants present, the local weather patterns, and the scale of oxygen release. Furthermore, there is always the risk of unforeseen chemical reactions, which could potentially exacerbate the existing pollution problem. Section 4. The risks of tampering with the atmosphere. Despite the allure of a quick fix, the idea of intentionally altering the Earth's atmosphere is fraught with risks. Our planet's climate system is incredibly complex, and even seemingly small changes can have cascading effects that are difficult to predict or control. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for unintended chemical reactions. Increasing oxygen levels could disrupt the delicate balance of the atmosphere, leading to the formation of secondary pollutants or affecting the ozone layer, which protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiation. Furthermore, the energy required to extract and release such vast quantities of oxygen would be immense, potentially offsetting any environmental benefits gained and even exacerbating climate change. Another critical concern is the potential impact on global wildfires. While oxygen itself is not flammable, it acts as a catalyst for combustion. An increase in atmospheric oxygen levels could make wildfires more frequent and intense, releasing even more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere and negating any positive effects. Section 5. The invaluable role of forests. In our quest to find technological solutions to climate change, we must not overlook the natural wonders that already play a crucial role in regulating our planet's atmosphere. Forests, often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, are nature's own oxygen factories and carbon sinks. Through the process of photosynthesis, trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen, making them essential for maintaining the delicate balance of gases we need to survive. Deforestation, on the other hand, not only removes these vital carbon sinks but also releases the stored carbon back into the atmosphere, exacerbating the greenhouse effect. This is why protecting existing forests and promoting reforestation efforts are crucial strategies in combating climate change. Rather than resorting to risky and energy-intensive geoengineering projects like atmospheric oxygenation, we should focus on preserving and restoring these natural climate regulators. Forests provide a multitude of benefits beyond oxygen production, including biodiversity conservation, water cycle regulation, and soil conservation. Section 6. A call for caution and natural solutions. The concept of spraying oxygen into the atmosphere, while theoretically intriguing, remains highly speculative. The potential risks and unintended consequences associated with such a large-scale intervention are simply too great to ignore. While further research may shed light on the feasibility and safety of this technology, it is crucial that we proceed with extreme caution. Instead of placing our hopes on technological quick fixes, we must prioritize natural solutions that have stood the test of time. Protecting and restoring forests, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, and transitioning to a more sustainable way of life are far more effective and less risky strategies for combating climate change. The future of our planet depends on our collective action. Let us choose the path of responsible stewardship, embracing solutions that work in harmony with nature, not against it.